Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make marshmallow. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the coating for the outside of the marshmallow. So into a bowl, place your cornstarch and your icing sugar and mix the two together until they are fully combined. You can then go ahead and grab your 8-inch cake tin, which has been lined with a couple of layers of cling film, and just place in a generous amount of the mixture. And you'll want to push it around so it's up the sides and on the base, as this is what's going to give the marshmallow that iconic coating. To start on the marshmallow, you'll want to grab yourself a small saucepan, and into it place your sugar, glucose and water. You'll then want to give these a brief mix just to incorporate them a little, and then place this on the hob over a medium-high heat until it reaches 120 degrees Celsius. You can then go ahead and grab a small bowl of water and place in the 5 leaves of gelatin and allow these to soak while you get the other elements ready for the marshmallow. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your egg whites and then just whisk them until they reach a foam. In this time the mixture should come up to 120 degrees. It should all time out perfectly, as it does take a while for the egg whites to get perfect and for the temperature of the sugar mixture to come up to 120 degrees. While your egg whites are whisking, you'll constantly want to be checking the temperature of the sugar mixture, as you don't want it to go above 120 or you don't want it to go below that. So just keep your eye on it, and then you can go ahead and squeeze your leaves of gelatin out and place them into a small saucepan or bowl with the vanilla and a small amount of water, and just melt them together. Once they've melted, you don't want to take it any further, just no lumps. Then you can go ahead and your egg whites should be at a foamy stage. Lower the speed and then gently and carefully pour in the sugar mixture. This is going to be very hot, and if you get it on your skin it will blister, so be careful. Pour it in down the side of the bowl and just whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice that the meringue has gone smooth and glossy, and this is completely normal. At this stage you can then go ahead and add in the vanilla mixture with the gelatin, and you'll want to do this carefully as you don't want to lose any of that flavour or setting agent. You can then go ahead and just whisk this until everything is incorporated and fully combined. You can then go ahead and grab your cake tin that you prepared earlier on and pour in the marshmallow mixture. You may be thinking the mixture looks a little bit too loose, it's not very big. Don't worry, once the gelatin starts to set, it will firm up and be the perfect marshmallowy consistency. Just spread and level it out on top and finish it with a dusting, and I mean a generous dusting, of the cornstarch and icing sugar mixture that you made earlier on. You will then want to leave this at room temperature for around 12 hours and then it should be good to go. Once you're ready to use the marshmallow, you can turn it out and just remove the cling film. It will come off very easily. It might feel like you're going to break the marshmallow, but don't worry, you won't. And as you can tell, the cornstarch mixture has worked here on most of it. Don't worry if it hasn't, you can always coat it again in a bit once you've cut it up, but then you can cut it up however you like. I went with squares just to show you how to make it and how to cut it up, but feel free to cut it into shapes and coat it in chocolate or whatever you want. It's really up to you. So this is just a basic marshmallow recipe which I've been using for a couple of years now, since I was at college. So you can really take this recipe to the next level by adding different flavours and everything else, but as you can tell, the consistency and the texture is perfect. It's as light as air, but it's got that perfect marshmallow feeling. Trust me, once you start making your own, you will not buy shop bought ever again. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.